Welcome back everybody, and today January 17, 2022 is the biggest snowstorm or blizzard since quite a number of years. The whole GTA got affected, so that is Durham, Halton, Peel and York region. But hold on now, there are many ways to enjoy yourself during this time. Outdoor games, indoor games, family time, and there is cooking, always cooking. So today we're going to make a very healthy keto friendly cookie, banana and pumpkin seeds included. Let us begin by mashing our 3 ripe bananas and butter. And make sure when we are adding our butter and Crisco to our mixture, we are going to use a method called cutting in. This method is simply incorporating the butter and Crisco into our mixture and retaining little lumps of it. These little lumps will help with the structure of our cookie. Usually in making flaky dough, it helps with making that flaky consistency. And you will notice in my recipe I am using coconut flour, which is a tricky one to work with because it has no gluten to bind. So I have added xanthan gum and psyllium husk. I will give the recipe at the end of this video, so don't be worried. I have added my salt and baking soda, and you would notice that in place of sugar I've added monk fruit because it does not spike your insulin. Remember, the aim of my cookie now is being healthy and keto friendly. And our eggs, butter and coconut flour have all healthy oils. Let's go! And as I finish adding all my ingredients and begin to mix, I am looking for a particularly sticky dough because I want that you can scoop it out onto your tray, or you can even form little patties with your hand and place it on your wax paper. Let's go! And while this is being done, make sure to preheat your oven 375 degrees Fahrenheit. These should only take around 8 to 10 minutes to fully cook. It will be very soft when you take it out the oven, but just leave it to rest for that perfect chewy bite. Let's go!